So if we were all to think, and I ask you this question, no? So what is the purpose of my life? Okay? Why am I doing whatever I'm doing? That why is the purpose, no? Okay? And what is life? I don't mean lifetime. Life is me. Lifetime and life are two different things. I am life. Okay? Okay? What is my purpose, in other words? Okay? So, for example, if I were to give an example, that I am studying in IIT. Why? So that I can learn a skill and get a job. Na? Why do I want a job? So that I can make a livelihood and contribute to make a better society. Okay? So why do I want to earn a livelihood? I will become a professional, right? So we want to become something. I will become an engineer, a professional. So we are making this effort to become something. We are doing it today to become. Are you following me? Hai? Okay. Now, by becoming professional, let's say engineer or a scientist, why do I want to become that? Why do I want money? Why do I want stability? Now let's explore this, okay? The why. It's very important in life. Keep asking why till you hit an end answer. There is no why to it. Jaise he said, why do we even exist? There is no answer to it. We exist. Correct? We can keep going on intellectual query, but probably there is no answer. So let's come to this. I'll give options here. Correct. We want that. Let's call it sustainability. What you calling stability? Matlab, I know my future is reasonably predictable, life is set. Seems to be on course, right? Having that kind of assurance. I understand. But let me put purpose. I'll give two options, okay? So option A. My purpose is to make, accumulate wealth. These are all together, okay? Options. Accumulate wealth. Main purpose of life. That's why I exist, to accumulate wealth. Okay? Second is others like me. Liking by others. Okay? Make others happy. Okay? Okay. Okay? Let's have this amazing discussion, okay? I'm going to list more things here. Let's go through that. That's why we're going to enjoy this, okay? Making others happy. Then let's say entertainment, like cricket, hockey, watching matches, watching films, Netflix. 5, sense pleasure. Okay? 5 senses. Sense pleasure, correct? We do things, for sense pleasure. Let's go to have food in this restaurant. Let's get a bike. We do things. We make effort for that, right? And sense pleasure takes us many ways, So sense pleasure, that always I get good sensations. I see good, I hear good, I can touch good, like that, right? These are there, okay? Power and control. Okay, these are some options. Let's look at option B. My purpose 1, be happy and prosperous. Okay, and second is contribute to my family and society and world. Just let's say contribute to my family and the world and world family. ठीक है, अपनी लाइफ में do something which is useful for the world. By contribution I mean, not just eat myself, but do something which serves the world. This is option. I am not saying this is the answer. Now, when we answer and explore these questions, okay, what will happen is we are all conditioned to think very intellectually and based on our experiences, and we all have gone through a conditioning. We must accept it. We are all conditioned by society, by our family, society, external influence, like you said, right? So now we have to be very open-minded and let us be willing to question our assumptions. Okay? So when we explore these things, we can use pure intellect, or we can use another faculty that is gifted to each one of us. It's called natural acceptance or inner voice, some people say it. Okay? Or intuition as well. It is a space of feelings inside us. For example, if I ask you, do you want to be happy? Do you have to intellectualize an answer? Correct. If I ask you, do you want to be healthy? No. Do you want to be prosperous? Do you want to feel prosperous? Right? No. Naturally acceptable. Do you want to be excellent in your studies? Do you want to be excellent? You would like excellence, right? सोचना नहीं पड़ा ना उसके लिए, correct? So this is called natural acceptance. It's instantly acceptable or not acceptable. Is it acceptable to you to hurt another human being? है ना? तुरंत आया ना आंसर, correct? But हो जाता है. Sometimes we hurt, correct? But we don't want to do. So now today let us explore with natural acceptance. So often our mind will give two answers. One answer will come from thinking mind always, fearful mind, okay, limited intellectual mind. Second answer, many people say, comes from heart. The other word of the same natural acceptance is heart. We can call any word, but we have the space inside us, okay? So let us always hear both answers, and then often these answers come together. The mind can always find reasons why heart is saying the right thing. The mind just needs to understand, the thinking mind. So now with our natural acceptance, we want to be happy and prosperous or filthy rich. What is the purpose of life?